What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motors, and this is your boy, Daddy. Anyways, today I'm going to start taking apart the old Subi motor that I got back there and kind of just do a little investigation on, what went wrong with it. I bought that car in a auction, so I don't really know what happened leading to it not working. It took me like forever to figure out what was wrong with it because it never started. I had nothing to go with. Turned out it was a multitude of things, but I just want to kind of see what went down. All I really saw was a bunch of metal flakes in the oil pan and kind of just assumed it was a spun bearing and left it at that, but could be something more, could be something less, who knows, but we'll find out. Okay, here we are, old crusty musty. I do have a rotisserie and a engine hoist. I'm gonna prop this bad boy up and we'll go from there. All right, so I got my engine hoist hooked up and yeah, it should be like, I don't know, have somebody helping me out with this because the hoist will jerk a bit. I also need to take off that AC compressor and put it on my other car because not having an air conditioner is not fun. See what I mean? It's like moving around. Oh, there we go. Fly, fly, little buddy. Oh boy. Oh, it's peeing. Great. I've been hoping since it's been like sitting down here for, I don't know, like 2 years, it wouldn't pee anymore, but I guess here we are. So I'm just gonna hook this thing up to the rotisserie so we can flip her around. So what we got going on right here? Too crazy. She's still peeing, but yeah. All right, well, that goes that plan. I wanted to put it on my rotisserie, but I am missing some bolts to put that on. So I guess we're gonna have to wait to put that on the rotisserie. I mean, it's still on the hoist, and I have the oil pan here so we can investigate. I mean, this oil pan has been sitting out for a minute, so a few things that I've noticed right away. We have the pickup tube that does not look healthy at all. That's not good at all. All right, so I got myself a pick. Let's see what we can get out of here. It does look like bearing material. It's pretty thin. Judging by how bad this is, probably just starved of oil. Jeez, man, these are some nice flakes. And the motor's seized up. There's a lot in here. Well, that was a whole bunch of flakes. And even in here, a bunch of flakes. We got some flaky bits. I really don't want to get my hands covered in oil right now, even though I'm wearing gloves. Screw it. Stick my fingers in there. Damn. It's like aluminum foil. Oh. I think that wasn't supposed to be in there. It looked like a piece of wood. Oh, that's a bug. The crazy part is when I look under, it's actually not that bad. Well, I wouldn't say it's not that bad. It's just can't really tell. Well, let's go take a look at that. Let me change my gloves. All right, so here we are. Can't really spin it around. Like I said before, I'm missing some bolts for the stupid rotisserie. All right, we got some leakage, more leaking. But yeah, you can't really see anything going on, but she was definitely starving. Yeah, so we're gonna just strip this down, see what went wrong. But yep, what is that? Does not look good. Who knows, maybe we can rebuild this bad boy up and I don't know, I'll make a go-kart. Put it in a go-kart or something. All right, so I took off this valve cover. Let's see what we got. Definitely can't see in there. It's a little too dark in there, but pistons are looking pretty decent. These cams, not bad at all actually. There's not even a little bit of scuffing. I mean, yeah, they're kind of dirty and dusty because it's kind of just been open, sitting here, rotting away. Definitely gonna take this thing out. Yeah, this exhaust has got to go. Turbo, maybe a little upgrade depending on what my mood is. But yeah, this is what I got so far, and I'm just gonna stop it right here for now, and we can start tearing this whole thing apart next time I see you guys. Also, I'm still waiting for Grimspeed to send my shrouds. They still haven't sent it to me. Apparently it's backordered, and every time I call them, they're like, yeah, it's getting powder coated right now. I don't know, man. I really don't know. Trying to support my guys at Grimspeed, but yeah, I'm still trying to find where these shreds of metal came from. Definitely starting to think they're just pistons, or not the pistons, the the bearings. All right guys, so that's all I got for you for today. I know it's not as exciting as some people might think, I don't know. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna start tearing this thing down, trying to investigate what went down. Metal shards, flakes in the oil pan, definitely starved up that motor. Like I said before, I don't know what has happened with the previous owner, or I really don't know too much history on this car or on where the motor came from. So all a big mystery leading up to what in the hell happened. But yeah, I'm gonna start taking that apart, cleaning off the parts a little bit, trying to make it shiny new as I put it back together. Also, I picked up this really cool HKS oil filter. Thought it would look really good in my other Subi since it's supposedly purple. Let's do a little unboxing. Ooh, it's all in Japanese. Oh, it's more of like a bluish color. I do like how it's protected. Has like some plastic on the filter portion, which is pretty cool, except if you're an idiot and you just kind of just leave it on there as you put it on. It is kind of tiny, but it has really good reviews. Very expensive, a little too expensive for my taste. I forgot how much I paid for it. I will put a link in the description down below if you guys are interested in picking up an HKS oil filter. I will show you guys how to do an oil change. It's not that hard, but for those who want to learn how to change oil, you know, you can just watch me do that. Oh, there's magnets in here? Yeah, it says over here, guys. I was trying to read it in Japanese, even though I have no idea how to read Japanese. But over here, it says has neodymium magnets, high efficiency filter, super stealth frame. So I guess that explains the tiny, ooh, I didn't see this. But this is how you guys know it's legit. Has the HKS sticker. It has that nice little holographic sticker if you want to, I don't know, put it on, or you could just keep it, I don't know. Or maybe you can like, oh, it's actually not holographic. Could this mean I have a fake? Oh no, is it actually a magnet? It's not sticking on anything. Oh, questionable. I'm gonna do some research on that. The sticker is also questionable. It's not holographic like in my blow-off valve, but I don't know if that's intended, if that's supposed to be like that, because you know, it's just an oil filter. This is something that you should be replacing on a regular basis. Also, on this motor, intake manifold. What do you guys think I should do to it? Should I paint it? Should I leave it as is? I'm thinking about painting it, making it look nice and cool. Maybe if you guys can give me some suggestions on what color it should be. I am gonna probably just build this motor for shits and giggles. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it. I do wanna buy a junked out Subaru, something with just a frame so I could put the motor in and build a go-kart. Yeah, so tune in for that. I'm gonna practice my welding. I don't know how to weld, guys. True story. Don't know how to weld. Build a frame. I'm gonna practice with my other Subi. I'm gonna most likely put holes in it. Pray for me. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna go out very well. But I will make this sacrifice so I can learn how to build a glorified four-wheeled motorcycle. But that is a project for the somewhat near, maybe far future, because I need to definitely practice my welding skills as well as my pipe bending skills. I really don't want to pay for a pipe bender. I know it's not that crazy expensive. It's like one of those things that I just really don't want to buy. But if that doesn't work out, I'm just gonna, you know, just buy a pipe bender. Really, I don't even know how to use one. I don't know, guys, but anyways, I digress. That's all I have for you guys this week. Tune in next week. Promise it'll be more interesting. I'm gonna be off from work for a while, so definitely we'll be able to do some other cool little projects. Like, subscribe. Yeah, man, this is starting to get kind of expensive. It'll definitely help me out if you guys like and subscribe. Only like 2% of you guys subscribe and 87% just view my stuff. So just, you know, move that little, just tap it. Just tap the subscribe button. That's it. And the notification button, just so you can know, like, hey, your boy Daddy is putting up some new content. You could just watch it right away. You know, while you're taking a poop. Hey, I'm right here. Just watch me. Watch me while you poop. It's fine. I don't care. It's not like I'm watching you guys poop. But anyways, see you guys.